Are you ready to profit while barely lifting a finger? Imagine waking up to money in your account, all thanks to technology. Today, we unveil the secret to doing just that, using artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just for tech experts or corporations. It's a powerful tool to generate income from your home. The key isn't working harder. It's recognizing how to set things up once and let AI take charge. Let's explore several easy ways AI can help you generate income. First up is AI-generated content. Forget needing writing skills. With AI tools, you can create blog posts, ebooks, or even product descriptions in minutes. Businesses desperately need fresh content. Sell your packages on freelance platforms or start your own blog. Once set up, watch the traffic and revenue roll in with little effort. Next, consider creating AI-powered digital products. Design an ebook, course, or even music tracks and sell them online. Use platforms like Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. With each sale, you earn money. No inventory, no shipping. Just passive income. How about AI-assisted affiliate marketing? Use AI to generate blogs or social media posts that contain affiliate links. Each time someone buys through your link, you earn money. AI can create the content, find keywords, and automate posting. Set it up once, and let it work while you sleep. Another method is AI chatbots and automation services. Small businesses lack the time or skills to build customer service bots. Set up chatbots for local businesses or Shopify stores and charge a monthly fee. Once they're live, your role diminishes, while subscription fees keep coming in. AI in print on demand is also a fantastic opportunity. Generate amazing t-shirt designs or digital art with AI tools. Upload your creations to platforms like Redbubble or Printful. Each sale earns you money without touching any products. Social media automation with AI is another moneymaker. Brands need help managing social media. Use AI to create graphics, captions, or schedule posts, and charge clients monthly. Set it up, and watch your earnings grow with minimal effort. For a more advanced strategy, consider building an AI-curated newsletter or blog. Select a niche like tech, fashion, or health. Let AI gather and summarize news, then email it to subscribers weekly. Monetize with ads or sponsorships, overseeing the system while it generates income. These methods have one thing in common: set them up once, and let AI do the rest. They shift you from exchanging hours for dollars to earning passively. However, a reality check: nothing is fully passive up front. You'll need to invest time initially to learn, set up systems, and test. But the results can be extraordinary. Stop trading time for money and start building systems that earn for you. If you're eager to design a lifestyle of freedom, check out the book The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. It transformed how people view work and income. This book offers insights on automating and outsourcing effectively, essential for success with AI income streams. Ready to work smarter, not harder? Click the link to the 4-Hour Workweek in the description below. Start your journey toward a lazy income empire today.